Ayon sa pinakahuling ulat ng Canadian Real Estate Association o CREA Webes, bumaba ng 0.7% ang home sales sa Canada para sa buwan ng Hulyo. Pero mataas pa rin ng 4.8% ang buwan ng bentahan ng bahay kung ikukumpara noong nakalipas na taon na posibleng dulot umano ng inaasahang rate cut mula Bank of Canada.
We noticed a bit of an uptick with the buyers activity, pero they're still anticipating kasi nabababa pa yung rate further. So for the month of July, it's still a little bit, slow.
Ayon sa isang realtor, hindi masasabi kung kailan ang perpektong panahon para pasukin ang housing market, lalo't nakadepende ito sa paghahanda ng mga buyer. Pero batay sa nararanasang pause o pansamantalang paghinto ng market ngayon, paalala niya sa mga nagbabalak magbenta ng bahay.
Some homeowners who have just purchased in the past 2-3 years, they really are not going to they're going to lose money if we sell now. So because they bought at the peak, now that things are just starting to come down, or the prices are low and the rates are starting to come down, they're not going to get their money back.
Lumabas din sa report ng CREA na bumaba ang home sales sa Greater Toronto area, habang may bagyang pagtaas naman sa Hamilton-Burlington area.
The affordability factor is still there. And karamihan ng mga nasa Greater Toronto area are mostly condos. If you're going outside in the Hamilton-Burlington area, you're looking at more like single, detached, semis, and townhouses. So those are a little bit more of the ideal homes that these buyers are looking into. What I'm finding in the market anyways, and specifically with the clients that I work with, they're trying to avoid condos as much as possible just because of the maintenance fee factor affects their borrowing power.
Hindi ka basta-basta makakapasok sa market until meron kang so much money na pwede mong i-down payment. So the mere fact na naipon namin yon, it's nakaka-proud, and hindi namin siya tinitignan as ang laki ng utang namin. It's more of it's an investment.
Dating taga-Toronto si Vivian de la Cruz, nakabibili lamang ng bahay sa Kitchener nitong Lunes. Halos isang taong paghahanda at pag-aaral daw sa housing market ang ginugol nilang mag-asawa bago nagdesisyong maging homeowner.
I think yung biggest factor is, ano ba yung monthly mortgage na kaya namin i-absorb mag-asawa, na kaya naming bayaran na hindi kami natataga sa hirap. Kasi one thing na na natutunan namin sa mga home buyers is, kung kailangan mo mag-overtime para lang mabayaran yung mortgage, it's not comfortable.
Kung hindi sigurado sa lagay ng market ngayon, maigi pa rin anilang kumausap ng mapagkakatiwalaang real estate experts.
It's best to speak with a mortgage broker or financial advisor already, just so you know where you stand and create a proper specific timeline on how and when you want to get into the market.
Inaasahan ng susunod na interest rate announcement ng Bank of Canada sa ika-4 ng Setyembre. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.